Here are 5 70s style retro fonts that I think you should use for your next project, whether it's a shirt for print on demand or even for a logo or a flyer or a poster. These 70s style fonts are ready for you to use in Kittl. So check them out and then sign up using the link down in the description. First up, we have Solino, which is a more elegant take on 70s style lettering, paying homage to the psychedelic wave shapes that you would commonly see in that time period. Its almost serif-like nature makes it perfect for 70s graphics like t-shirts, but also great for branding and logo design with a retro style. Next, we have Sunny Drop. Sunny Drop is a fun retro bubble style font with thinner tops and thicker bottoms to the letters, making it a great choice for 70s style graphics and t-shirt designs. Having a thicker weight towards the bottom of letters was common during the 60s and 70s, kind of like bell bottoms were. Next, you'll want to use Sundaze. Using a similar build with a heavy stroke on the bottom of the font, Sundaze has a sharp top which makes it the #1 choice for poster design, since you can line up the boxy flat top with the top of your rectangular poster design. But of course, you can use this for your t-shirt designs and other retro apparel. Similar to Sundaze, we have Sunshade, which is an even more condensed 70s style font, making it perfect for everything from posters, postcards, shirts, and retro stickers. You're definitely going to want to use this one for your psychedelic inspirational quotes. Lastly, we have one of my personal favorites, Sunship. Sunship is based off of the more natural script lettering style that you would commonly see in the 60s and 70s, and while the letters have a more consistent weight, the capital letters feature a heavier stroke on the bottom, creating that instant retro vibe that leaves an impression. So there are 5 70s style fonts for you to use in your retro designs, so let us know what you think of these down in the comments. Now, if you want to see other tutorials using Kittl, I have these videos here on my right that I know you're going to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos and features and things like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.